another great night as was last year, but sadly the Indian football team has not prepared any dancers. But still, the awards will be given away. And I would first like to request the president of the Football Players Association, captain of the Indian national team, Bhajan Bhutia, to come on stage and join us.
Thank Jahan, who's the General Secretary of FPI, and Sumit, who's also been with us from the day we started, and the guys who are working in FPI. I think we as national team players, we were out in Portugal. I've just come back 3-4 days back. And all this, whatever arrangement you see here, I think these are the guys who've really done it. I've not done much. I think we are really focused on the game. We have nothing to do with it. So I think Jahan and the guys in FPI has done a wonderful job. And also lastly, last but not the least, I think FPA in the last couple of years, the amount of things we've done and we move forward, I think it would never have been successful, or it would have never gone so far unless if we didn't have the support of all the players who are here, national team players to all the senior players. So I think sincerely we need to give a big round of applause to all the players who train with FPI and supporting FPI throughout. Thank you.
Well, thank you very much, and that is Bhajan Bhutia, not only the Football Players Association president, but also our Indian national team captain. Well, we now come to the felicitation part of the evening, where outstanding performances over the last year will be looked at, and certain players will be felicitated for that.
Absolutely, but we're not giving any names away just yet. I'm sure if I give you a little bit of information about this person, you're more than likely to figure out who he is. He's done India extremely proud in the past year, not just on the national level, but on the international level as well. If I could please ask the FPAI Vice President, Abhishek Yadav, to escort Mr. Albert Colasso and Mr. Carlton Chapman up on stage to give away the award to this young gentleman.
Good evening, Albert. Anything you would like to say as the General Secretary of the All India Football Federation?
I would like to thank FPI for organizing this function. I'm very happy to be here. In fact, we had a meeting yesterday with the FPI chairman, and we have decided, with the help of AFC, to start the National Dispute Resolution Chamber in India, which is a great step to help the players in solving the disputes they have with the clubs. Thank you once again, and wish all the players all the best.
Well, and now the video on the first player. Felicitated this evening is Sunil Chhetri, our man in America. Sunil, please. Sunil, it's been a very interesting 6 months for you. You're now back with the national team, but of course after the Asian Cup you're going to be back in the US. How has it been, this ride for you?
Good evening everyone. Thank you very much for this lovely award. It's been a nice 4 months for me going to Kansas. Initially it was tough, and every day was so tough to go and acclimatize over there. Different style, different way of living, and so important different way of playing football. But thankfully I knew there were 1 million people back home in my country thinking and expecting that I'm going to do something well. So every time I thought that I have to give up and go back to my country, crying over there, and I thought, no, I can't do that, because I know I can do it, and I know my country believes in me. And definitely, I have a long-term contract with them. It's a 4-year contract. After the Asia Cup is done, I have to go back again. And now that I received this award, I just hope that every year we have 6-7 more players over here standing, taking this award, going abroad, learning so many things. Thank you very much, all of you. Enjoy your time.
Well, Mr. Sunil Chhetri.
Congratulations, Sunil. Thank you very much, Mr. Colasso and Mr. Chapman. Let's move on to our next commendation for the night. Indian football, after 8 years, has another Arjuna awardee in its midst. If I could please request Mr. Renedy Singh to escort Mr. Numi Mehta and Nuno Musunho Estevez up on stage to give away the next award, please. Another round of applause, please. I think that's...
Well, some of you in the room will know Numi Mehta. He happens to be a great sports lover, and Nuno as well. Nuno has been organizing the India camps over the last 3 years, the last 4 ones in Portugal. 3 in Portugal, 1 in Barcelona. I experienced it myself last year in Barcelona, and it was really great work from you. Indian football, you love an attachment to it.
Well, I do love the game. And as a matter of fact, I've never had the pleasure.
Commendation for the night. Indian football, after 8 years, has another Arjuna awardee in its midst. If I could please request Mr. Renedy Singh to escort Mr. Numi Mehta and Nuno Musunho Estevez up on stage to give away the next award, please. Commendation for the night. Indian football, after 8 years, has another Arjuna awardee in its midst. If I could please request Mr. Renedy Singh to escort Mr. Numi Mehta and Nuno Musunho Estevez up on stage to give away the next award, please.
You know Numi Mehta. He happens to be a great sports lover, and Nuno as well. Nuno has been organizing the India camps over the last 3 years, the last 4 ones in Portugal. 3 in Portugal, 1 in Barcelona. I experienced it myself last year in Barcelona, and it was really great work from you. Indian football, you love an attachment to it.
Well, I do love the game. And as a matter of fact, I've never had the pleasure of meeting Honorable Minister Praful Patel. But I do believe I know him quite well because my son Jahan keeps talking about him. And sir, I do have a bone to pick with you. I need my son back. Someone has to run the business. Both of us can't keep playing football. Well, we'll wait for the person to be announced next. But I do have a bit to say about him. Meanwhile, I'll pass the mic on. Nuno?
It's a great honor to be here tonight. In fact, I have this honor for 4 years now, when we started in 2006. And I managed the Team India camp in Portugal and then in Spain last year. And I have seen the progress in the players, in the environment and everything. It's a great honor to be here tonight and feel this atmosphere and know that we are moving forward, definitely moving forward.
Thank you, Nuno. And let's see on the video which player. Congratulations on winning the Arjuna Award this year. You wanted to say something about Deepak?
Yes, gentlemen. I don't think many of you know that the day the team left for Portugal for the camp, well, the next day Deepak's son was born. He stayed on in the camp. And that shows a part of his commitment. He's played for India for 10 years now and is now formally known as the Defence Minister of the Indian soccer team.
Well, Deepak, congratulations on the Arjuna Award and, of course, congratulations on this award tonight. What does that award mean to you?
First of all, good evening and thank you very much for this award. ये award